How to send money with Zelle in Capital One. If you want to send money with Zelle in Capital One, it's rather quite simple for us to do that. What we do is we go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Capital One application on our device. Once you do that, you'll need to navigate to the section called Send Money with Zelle. So first you log in by using your username and password and tap the sign in button. Then just look for the option Send Money with Zelle option. Then after that you can use a QR code to scan the recipient's code, or you can enter the recipient's email, mobile number, or you can also choose a name which can be anything you like, even if it's not the recipient's actual name. Then you can enter the amount and a memo if you'd like to. Then you can double check the information and amount before confirming the transfer. This way you can send money with Zelle on Capital One. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.